Bonjour, je m'appelle Heather et je suis ici aujourd'hui pour vous parler d'une nouvelle application pour votre téléphone qui vous aidera à apprendre le français. Allez, français! What? You're gonna need to speak English. I haven't learned how to speak French yet. Oh, sorry, Maria. My fault. Let's start over. Hello, my name is Heather, and I'm here today to tell you about a new app for your smartphone that will help you to learn French. Introducing French Go. I suppose now is a good time to introduce Maria Thompson, our target user. Maria is 32 years old. She's a freelance graphic designer living in Los Angeles, California, and is currently single. She loves traveling the world and has a goal to live and work abroad in a French-speaking country someday. But in order to do that, she must first become confident with the French language and be able to hold a conversation with others and navigate basic tasks in the French-speaking world. There's a problem though. Learning a new language takes time, and let's face it, Maria's busy, really busy. But she still wants to learn French so she can feel confident living and working in a French-speaking country. She needs a way to stay engaged and spend some time learning French every single day because this will empower her to improve her French language learning and increase her vocabulary, thus enabling her to become more conversationally fluent in the language. We know this to be true when Maria begins to apply her new French vocabulary in conversations with other French speakers. So, what does Maria want? In a nutshell, she wants to use a fun and engaging app to help her learn some French words and phrases so she can learn to communicate in French. She wants to connect with other language learners, to be held accountable, and to engage in the learning process with. She wants to be able to track her progress to see her improvement over time. Most importantly, she wants the lessons to be short, fun, and manageable, so she never gets bored and never has an excuse to skip her daily study sessions. In order to create the perfect app for Maria, we here at French Go went through a rigorous process of ideation with numerous design iterations. We first started with a competitive analysis of other popular language learning apps, and then by interviewing French language learners just like Maria to get a sense of what real people want out of a language learning app. After that, we spent time making sure we crafted a seamless step-by-step process to make it easy for Maria to use French Go. After all of that was complete, we then applied those lessons in our design process to bring those ideas to life in some rough sketches and early prototypes. As the old saying goes, if at first you don't succeed, try again. That's certainly true when it comes to the design process. We recruited numerous potential French Go users to test out our prototypes to see how real users would interact with the app and give us their honest opinions and insights. Their feedback was invaluable to help us make French Go the best French learning language app on the market. Here you can see some of the issues that were uncovered during our usability testing and the revisions that we made to our designs after conducting our usability tests. We're happy to report that the app we'll be releasing is new, improved, and better than ever as a result of the insight of the numerous people who helped us out. Thanks, everybody. In addition to our rigorous user testing, we also conducted an A/B test to determine the best designs for our homepage and activity screens. After compiling all the data from the usability tests and the A/B tests, we revised our prototype to reflect all the feedback we received. We think it's much improved and our users will enjoy the updates that we made. A designer's work is never done, however, and we plan to continue testing and revising our prototype and designs until everything is absolutely perfect, at which point we'll start the UI process and get French Go on the market. Maria loves the changes we've made to the app so far and can't wait to see the direction the app goes as we continue with our research and development process. Through this process, we've learned just what it takes to create a beautiful, seamless language learning app for busy professionals on the go, and we're committed to nothing short of excellence. Look for French Go in the App Store in the near future. During this UX process, I've learned quite a bit about what goes into creating a good app design. First, you can't have good wireframes without a properly set up user flow. Second, a competitive analysis is a great way to start the design process because it helps you become familiar with what other apps are doing well and what other areas apps could improve on. It's great for the ideation process. Setting up a clickable prototype is a great way to get an early idea of how your app will flow so you can fix any potential issues early on in the process. Plus, they're a whole lot of fun. A user persona is a powerful tool to help the designer understand their target audience. I had a really good time getting to know Maria Thompson during this process, and I really wanted to create a good French language app for her. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Merci pour votre écoute. Nous vous verrons bientôt. Merci beaucoup.